comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Let your body relax into the support beneath you, breathing in deeply and exhaling slowly. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in strength and light. And as you exhale, release any tension or fear. Feel yourself becoming more and more grounded with each breath. In this moment, you are surrounded by love. Feel the presence of those who are here with you, your family, your friends, your loved ones who walk beside you through this journey. They are here in spirit, holding you in their hearts. Feel their love enveloping you, surrounding you like a warm, comforting embrace. They are here with you, sharing in your strength, offering their love and support. With every breath you take, allow their energy to fill your body with warmth, comfort, and peace. And as you sit in this circle of love, also feel the presence of those who are no longer physically with us. They are still here, their love timeless, unbreakable. Feel the gentle energy of those who have passed on, their spirits wrapped around you like a soft blanket, offering you comfort and strength from the other side. They are with you, cheering you on, surrounding you in this moment of healing. Now, turn your awareness inward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the healing energy of the medication working in your body. Feel the medicine moving through your veins like a river of healing light, nourishing and restoring every cell, every tissue, every part of you. This energy is working in harmony with your body's natural ability to heal. Imagine this healing energy as a warm light filling every part of you, soft, gentle, and full of purpose. Visualize this healing light, this gentle glow, expanding from your heart to every area of your body. See it moving through your blood, through your organs, into every muscle, every nerve. With each breath, this healing light gets stronger, more powerful, more vibrant. Allow it to wash over you, washing away any pain, any fear, any doubts. Feel it filling you with strength, with peace, with hope. Know that every cell in your body is responding to this healing light, each one vibrating with vitality and strength. Your body is capable of incredible things, and right now it is working with the medicine, with the love of those around you, to bring you back to balance, to wellness. You are healing and you are supported. As you continue to breathe, let this light expand, reaching beyond you, touching everyone who loves you, touching the universe itself. You are a part of a greater whole, loved, cherished, and connected to all that is. Feel this truth in every fiber of your being. You are not alone. You are deeply loved, deeply supported, and deeply healing. When you're ready, take one last deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, feeling the strength and peace inside you. And then slowly exhale, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. As you open your eyes, bring with you this feeling of love, support, and healing. Know that you are strong and that with each breath, you are healing more and more. You are loved. You are healing. And you are never alone.